All right, everybody. Happy Sunday. Today I'm going to show you the 1990s vintage magical mansion and what I turned it into instead of using it for a house. So I decided, what if I turn this into like a spa resort type thing? So if I start over here in the corner, this is going to be the makeup area. And I have some vintage makeup pieces here. And I have Angel Faces case. And then I go into the corner and you're going to see the makeup artist waiting for her first customer here. Then I have a little shampoo area. And then I have another hairstylist here who works in the salon. Over here I have another hair washing station. And I have another hairstylist waiting for her first customer. And then there's another station over here. And finally, some more vintage play sets for hair salon type play. And if you come up to the next level, I wanted to make this area like a little sauna. So our first customer is there with her water bottle. She's laying in the spa area, sauna area, couple of beds, couple of towels. And this is, I think this is like a pencil holder or something from the Dollar Tree. And I just thought it would be neat to use it to kind of represent where the steam would come out. Speaking of steam, when you come into this area, we're going to enter into the massage area. So just when you thought it couldn't get any steamier, we have our masseuses here. And I use 2 of the Sweet Roses beds, but I just took the headboard out. I elevated them by using these little chalk buckets that I saved. I used a little foam roller that I cut in half for the pillow. I put some extra Barbie bed canopies from the 80s sheets on here with a little towel at the end. And then I decided to use 2 guys for the masseuses. And these guys look like they're ready to work out your knots. So I'll give you the full display here. Oh, before I zoom out, up top, I just did a little area where you could lay, get some sun, some vitamin D therapy with some drinks, maybe a little mimosa happening there. So here we go. The full magical mansion as like a day spa. Makeup, hair, massages, sauna area, and then you can finally go up to the rooftop and just enjoy a nice little cocktail and get some vitamin D. So let me know what you think of this magical mansion makeover. All right, everybody, like, comment, subscribe, share. Let me know what you think. Leave some comments and subscribe. Definitely need more subscribers. Stay tuned for more Barbie play sets and makeovers. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye, everybody.